Alright guys, so in today's video we're going to talk about the area of trapezoids. So to find the area of a trapezoid, the formula is area is equal to half the sum of the two bases times the height. Okay, so half times the sum of the two bases times the height. So first one, base 1, base 2, height. So the area is equal to half the sum of my two bases, 4 plus 10, times my height, which is 6. So half times 14 times 6. Half of 14 is 7. So you can think of this as 7, not 7 times 7, but 7 times 6. Or 42 miles squared. Okay, so same thing here, base 1, base 2, height. So area is half 6.5 plus 9.8 times 9, or half times, it's going to be 16.4, 16.3 times 9. This one I would use a calculator for. So you think of it as 0.5 times 16.3 times 9, which gives me 73.35. 73.35, again, miles squared. Alright, so no picture this time, but it says a trapezoid has 7.6 meter base, so it has a 7.6 meter base and a 2 meter base. So base 1, base 2, because it doesn't matter. There's my height. So area is half 7.6 plus 2 times 4.5. So half times 9.6 times 4.5. So half times 9.6 times 4.5 gives me 21.6 meters squared. Alright, last example. So again, base 1, base 2, height. So area is half 7.7 plus 4.8 times 4. So that'd be half 12.5 times 4. This one I'm not going to use a calculator because half of 4 is 2, so really this is 2 times 12.5, or 25 miles squared. Alright, you could use a calculator there if you want. Calculator on your phone will work fine. So that's areas of a trapezoid. Pretty simple. See you guys later. Bye.